morning students, welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Maths online class. I will see the chapter 8 Statistics and Probability, exercise 8.5, 1 marks. First one, which of the following is not a measure of dispersions? First one, range. Second one, standard deviation. Third one, arithmetic mean. And fourth one, variance. Now refer the book, textbook 300 and page number 302. Different measure of dispersions are: first one range, second one mean deviation, third one quartile deviation, fourth one standard deviation, fifth one variance, sixth one coefficient of variation. Okay, here what is the left? Only arithmetic mean. We have no arithmetic mean, different measure of dispersions. Therefore, what is the answer is? Yes, that is the third option, arithmetic mean. Can you understand? The second question, the range of data 8 comma 8 comma 8 comma 8 comma 8 etc. 8 is dash. Option is 1 0, option 2 1, option 3 8, option 4 3. What is the formula of range? That is R equal to L minus A. What is the meaning of L? Yes, that is largest value. S means that is the smallest value. What is the largest and smallest value? Same, it's also L and S equal to 8. Therefore range equal to L minus S, that equal to 8 minus 8 equal to 0. Answer is 0. Option is 1. Third one, the sum of all deviation of the data from its mean is: first always positive, second one always negative, third option 0, fourth option non-zero integer. The question is sum of all deviations of all of the data from its mean, that is summation x minus x bar, that is equal to 0. That is answer is 0. Option is 3. Fourth one, the mean of 100 observation is 40. The mean of 100 observation is 40 and their standard deviation is 3. The sum of square of all deviation is that equal to first option 40000 and second option 160900, third option 160000, fourth option 30000. What is the question is? The mean of 100 observation is 40 and x bar is 40 and the standard deviation sigma equal to 3. Sum of the square of all deviation means that is we find summation x square. We find the value of summation x square. What is the given value? X bar equal to 40. X bar means summation x by n, that equal to 40. Sigma standard deviation equal to 3. Then we have to write sigma standard deviation formula: summation x square divided by n minus summation x by n the whole square, that equal to x bar equal to summation x by n, that equal to 40, n equal to 100, summation x equal to 4000. Standard deviation sigma equal to root of summation x minus x bar the whole square divided by n. Standard deviation value is 3. Now taking square, therefore summation x minus x bar the whole square divided by n equal to 9. We simplify the value, n into 9, n value is 100, therefore summation x minus x bar the whole square, that equal to 900. Now simplify the x minus x bar the whole square, that is a minus b the whole square formula: summation x square minus 2x into x bar plus x square the whole bar, that equal to 900. We multiply the summation value, therefore summation x square minus 2 into x bar into summation x plus summation x square into n, that equal to 900. Therefore summation x square equal to 900 plus 2 into 40 into 4000 minus 40 into 40 into 400, that equal to 900 into 2 1800 into 4 that equal to 3,20,000 minus 4 into 4 16 into 100 minus 1,60,000 plus 900 that equal to 3,20,000 minus 1,60,000 plus 900. We simplify the value, that equal to 160,900. That is the answer. Option is 2, 160,900. Question number 5. Variance of the first 20 natural number is option 1 32.325, option 2 44.25, option 3 33.25, option 4 3030. What is the question? Variance of first 20 natural number. So first we find the standard deviation of 20 natural number. That is formula root of n square minus 1 divided by 12. Substitute n equal to 20, that means 20 square 400 minus 1 divided by 12, that equal to 399 divided by 12. We simplify the value, therefore we get root of 33.25. that is a standard deviation, but we want the variance means, therefore taking square root, therefore sigma square equal to root is cancelled. What is answer is 33.25. therefore the option is 3. Answer is 33.25. Can you understand? Okay. Sixth one, the standard deviation of a data is 3. Standard deviation of data is 3, that is sigma equal to 3. If each value is multiplied by 5, then the new variance is, if each value is multiplied by 3, then the new variance is, first standard deviation 3 means what is the variance? That equal to 3 square 9. Okay, that is variance is 9. Each value is multiplied by 5 means that equal to 3 into 5. What is answer? Standard deviation 3 into 5, that equal to 15. Now take the square, that is variance. Therefore variance, new variance means 15 square. Therefore 15 into 15, what is answer is 225. Yes, therefore answer is 225. Option is 4. Standard deviation equal to 3 means each value is multiplied by 3. So new standard deviation equal to 3 into 5, that equal to 15. So new variance that equal to 15 square, because standard deviation square means variance. So 15 square, that equal to 15 into 15, 225. Can you understand? Okay. Seventh one, if the standard deviation of x, y, z is p, then the standard deviation of 3x plus 5, 3y plus 5, 3z plus 5 is, first option 3p plus 5, second option 3p, third option p plus 5, fourth option 9p plus 15. What is the question? The given that standard deviation of x, y, z is p. If then standard deviation of 3x plus 5, that means any number multiple of 3x, y, z is standard deviation of p means we multiple the value of 3x, 3y, 3z means that is 3p. Okay, anyone we add the value of new standard deviation, there is no change. Therefore option is 2. Answer is 3p. Can you understand? Eighth question, if the mean and coefficient of variation of a data are 4 and 87.5%, then the standard deviation is, first option 3.5, second option 3, third option 4.5, fourth option 2.5. The mean and coefficient of variation is given. What is the mean value is 4, CB value is 87.5. Standard deviation, find the standard deviation. What is the formula? CB equal to sigma divided by x bar into 100. Now find standard deviation, therefore CB into x bar divided by 100, that equal to standard deviation sigma. CB value 87.5 divided by mean 4 into 4 divided by 100. That is answer is 87.5 into 4 divided by 100, that equal to standard deviation. Therefore 350 divided by 100, that equal to, cancel the value. What is answer is 3.5. Therefore option is 1, answer is 3.5. Ninth one, which of the following is incorrect? Option 1, P of A greater than 1. 2, P 0 P less than or equal to P of A less than or equal to 1. Third one, P of empty set equal to 0. Fourth one, P of A plus P of A dash equal to 1, which is incorrect. We have first one is P of A greater than 1. That means probability is greater than 1 value. Second option is P of A is 0 less than or equal to P of A less than or equal to 1. The probability value is include 0 between and 1. Okay, that is a correct. Third one is probability of empty set equal to 0. That is also correct. Fourth one is formula P of A plus P of B A dash equal to 1. That is a formula. Therefore, the first one is incorrect. P of A greater than 1. Therefore, option is 1. Answer is P of A is greater than 1. That is the answer. Can you understand? 10th question. The probability of a red marble selected at random from a jar containing P red marble, Q blue and R green marbles is. What are the marbles? P red, Q blue marbles, R green marbles. We have to first find n of s. What is n of s formula? Total number of the marbles. Therefore, P red, P plus Q plus R, that is n of s equal to P plus Q plus R. We have four options. The first one is Q divided by P plus Q plus R. Second option P divided by P plus Q plus R. Third option P plus Q divided by P plus Q plus R. Fourth option P plus R divided by P plus Q plus R. What is the question? Find the probability of red marbles. So how many red marbles here? Yes, that is P red marbles. Therefore, probability of red marble P of A equal to N of A divided by N of S. N of A equal to P. Therefore, N of S equal to P plus Q plus R. Therefore, what is the option is? Option is 2. Answer is P divided by P plus Q plus R. Can you understand? Okay. Question number 11. A page is selected at random from a book. The probability that the digit at units place of the page number chosen is the less than 7. First we have to write n of s. That is page unit place is 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, n of s equal to 0 to 9. That is 10 digits. Okay. Therefore, n of s equal to 10. Here, what is the question? A page selected random from a book. Find the probability of less than 7. Here option is 1 3 by 10, 10, option 2 7 by 10, option 3 3 by 9, option 4 7 by 9. So therefore less than 10 means 7 means we have to take n of a equal to 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. N of a equal to 7. Therefore P of a equal to n of a divided by n of s. What is n of a value? Yes, 7. 7 by 10. N of s equal to 10. Therefore option is 2. Answer is 7 by 10. Can you understand? The next question, number 12. The probability of getting a job for a person is x by 3 if the probability of not getting the job is 2 by 3. Then find the value of x is option 1 2, option 2 is 1, option 3 is 3, option 4 is 1.5. The getting job is P of A, that equal to x by 3. Not getting the job is P of A dash. Not means that is A dash. What is A dash equal to 2 by 3. Therefore P of A plus P of A dash equal to 1. P of A x by 3. P of A dash is 2 by 3. Therefore x by 3 plus 2 by 3 equal to 1. Denominator is equal. X plus 2 divided by 3, that equal to 1. Therefore x plus 2 equal to 1 into 3, 3. X plus 2 equal to 3. What is x equal to 3 minus 2? 3 minus 2, that is answer is 1. Therefore x equal to 1. Option is 2. Answer is 1. Can you understand? Okay. Question number 13. Kamalam went to play a lucky draw contest. 135 tickets of the lucky draw were sold. If the probability of Kamalam winning is 1 by 9, so n of s equal to 1 by 135, winning probability is 1 by 9. Then the number of tickets bought by Kamalam is, the number of ticket means that is we find n of a. So first one is 5 option, second option is 10, third option is 15, fourth option is 20. Therefore we have to write p of a equal to n of a divided by n of s. So n of s equal to 135, p of a is 1 by 9, that equal to we find n of a. Cross multiplying 135 divided by 9 equal to n of a. So 1 9s are 9, remaining 4 45, that is 5 9s are 45, that equal to 45, that equal to 15 answer. Option is 3, answer is 15. Question number 14. If a letter is chosen at random from the English alphabets A, B, C, Z, etc. Z, then the probability that the letter chosen precedes X. Okay. The option is 1 12 by 13, option 2 1 by 13, option 3 23 by 26, option 4 3 by 26. What is the sample space? That is A to Z. Therefore, how many number of letters? N of S equal to 26. What is the question? Find the probability letter chosen precedes X. Precede mean before the letter of X. Therefore, we have cancel 3 x, y, z. The remaining number of letter that equal to 23. Therefore, n of a equal to 23, n of s equal to 26. Therefore, p of a equal to n of a divided by n of s. 23 divided by 26. What is option is? Option is 3. Answer is 23 divided by 26. Can you understand? Okay. Question number 15. A purse contains 10 notes of 2000, 15 notes of rupees 500 and 25 notes of rupees 200. One note is drawn at random. What is the probability that the note is either a 500 or note 200 note? Okay. Option is 1 by 5, option 2 3 by 10, option 3 2 by 3, option 4 4 by 3. Here n of s equal to 10 plus 15 plus 25, that is 50 notes. What is the probability? 500 note is how many 500 note? 15. Therefore 15 divided by 50. And 200 note is 25. Therefore 15 plus 25, 40 divided by 50. Now 0 0 is cancelled. Remaining answer is 4 by 5. Option is 4. Answer is 4 by 5. Can you understand? Okay, thank you. We'll see you next class.